Make your 2009 to 2016 Ford Super Duty stand out with a set of new Anzo headlights, improving nighttime driving with better lighting. No splicing is required. Here are the tools you'll need. Start by disconnecting your truck's negative battery terminal. Locate and remove the 4 10mm bolts located on the top of the grill. Using your Phillips screwdriver, push down and unlock the 3 clips located on the bottom of the grill. Carefully unhitch and remove the grill and store it safely for later installation. Remove the 10mm bolt located on the top of the OEM headlight housing. Remove the 2 10mm bolts located on the side of the OEM headlight housing. Remove the 10mm bolt located on the bottom of the OEM headlight housing. Carefully pull out the OEM headlight and expose the parking and turn signal power sources. Remove the OEM headlight by disconnecting the parking and turn signal power sources. Install your new Anzo headlight by following the previous steps in reverse. Once you have the first headlight finished, repeat these steps for the other headlight. After testing your lights for proper function, replace your truck's grille. Before driving your truck on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video.